Alright, we're going to get the last little part of this video in with my man Psycho. He is contestant number 2, and damn, that's a hot-ass car. He is posted up by his beautiful Chrysler 300. It's got all the chrome accents sitting on the 24. He'll tell us about his music. He down with 2 Chainz. He down with Future. And he down with everybody. Waka Flocka, Gucci Mane. Look, let this man do your music. Because he is what? He is a writer and a producer. Tell him about the project we got right now.
Check it out. Got the G Gang CD, got 18 tracks, you know, yeah, come fuck with it.
That's right. Come fuck with it.
G-Gang.
G-Gang. Don't get it twisted. That's G-Gang. You see that? You see that? G-Gang. That's my man, Psycho. And what you studying at Everest, man, by the way?
Right now I'm doing HVAC, you know.
He doing HVAC.
You know, trying to make a little money, man.
He trying to get that money, because, you know, sometimes it take a while for the producer thing to jump off and get into that Diddy kind of money. So, but we're going to see how this thing work out. We wish you the best of luck, homeboy.
Okay, homie.